Hey, what's up, Stellar holder? So, what's going on, my Stellar holder brother? If you are new on our YouTube channel, then most welcome to our YouTube channel. This is crypto news updating YouTube channel, and also good news or bad news, and also decision channel to what we do in this critical situation, any critical situation of all cryptocurrency market. So, let's get started the live price prediction, guys. If you like the girl sound, that I hope also this is possible. Can you check it out? Let's check it out. Hey, what's up? This is live price prediction. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel for need this type more informative videos. Okay, so hope you subscribe it. Please subscribe it. Thanks for subscription. Let's get started the price prediction of Stellar. Oh my god. Can you believe this? This is my voice. Yeah, this is my voice. Yeah, I am Adil. This is my voice. Oh, so this is possible. Yeah. So let's get started live price prediction. Hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started Stellar price prediction. Oh my goodness, I can't see this to the channel. I'm sorry, the Stellar has gone very fastly and they take a high jump, highly jump. So this first of all, congratulations, my brother. If you are new on our YouTube channel, then please subscribe. Okay, so sorry, I tell you in the girl sound also to subscribe our YouTube channel, but I don't think they said to you also understand this or not. Okay, so if you can see here, first of all, I'm gonna show you the three charts, and then we decided the end of this video to this is selling time, to this is buying time, or this is holding time. Absolutely, I am holding mine. Not easy. I have no any plan to I sell it, because I have planned to I sell it in 2025. Yeah, so I have to no plan, but I tell you to what's the good for this. Okay, so let's see you the first one, last 1 hour. You can see here this is the latest chart, and this is the latest price. You can see here the latest chart as plus 2.43%. They're going up. So this is not a simple chart. Okay, and those days every cryptocurrency totally goes down, and the crypto market has lost 10 billion US dollar in the last 2 days. So everybody know this about. Okay, so you can see here the changes as occur and the price as absolutely bad. Sorry, this is bad. You can see here the price change as 0.560412 US dollar as the latest price. Remember, this price is very important for next for the indecision. Okay, remember this. Please, this is very important. Okay, please remember. Okay, let's check out the last 1 day result to what's going on in the last 24-hour result is almost very important. So let's see, they are loading. Please like this video, just like this video if you are enjoy my new voice. Yeah, I'm talking about my girl sound. So if you can see here, this last 1 hour, the last 24-hour change occur at very high, plus 13.04%. they gone off. I cannot believe this today gone like this. Oh my goodness, tomorrow I see 1 day before 1 day I see the result, the change as a negative. Everything is a negative, but they change it in positive, and they're gone like a Spider-Man. Oh my goodness, like a rocket, they're gone like a rocket. Yeah, so this is gone very fastly. The price is, this time you can see here the price is not change this time, I think, and absolutely this time the price has also come down. So what's going on in the last 7 days, this is almost very important. So let's see to the last 7 days charts to what's going on. Okay, oh wow, this is crash result. You can see here, superb. Wow, superb. This is plus 30.88% gone up. What a big chant. Can you see this? Can you understand this? What a big chant. And they're gone again. You can see here the chart result. They take a very high jump. They jump like a Spider-Man, and the moon, they're gone. Oh god, you can see here this time. Oh, chicken, let's chicken dinner. Oh my goodness, this is gone very good. So you can see here, and the price change occurred very fastly. Price is increasing, my brother, and I think Stellar has gone, and the moon Stellar gave us a very high price. What you say if they give us this type price? I hope they get me millionaire. Oh my god, I'm millionaire. Oh, this is crazy. Yeah, this is really crazy. If I am millionaire, then I make a millionaire, then I have no plan to sell it. Okay, what's your decision? My opinion, I request you, brother, to please don't excited. Just hold it. If you have any plan to buy more, then this is good time. Yeah, this is good time. This is good time to you sell to you buy more and hold and wait for the end of this month or wait for 2025. I am waiting for 2025 because they give me a very good profit in 2025. Yeah, I my expectation is very good from Steeler. What you say? Please tell me, my sister. I am very happy to they cross. I'm very excited to they cross 25,000 and 25. They cross 5 US dollar. Oh my god, this wise is going very hard. This is good. This is very terrible for me. Oh my goodness. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoy this fun full price prediction of Steeler. Enjoy and don't sell it. If you have any plan to sell it, then please contact me. I tell you about this too. This is why you are selling. Okay, so don't sell it, and please share your opinion in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Complete 10,000 subscribe, please. Hope you do it, man. Hope you do it. Thanks for subscription. Allah Hafiz. Take care.